Lexus South Pointe is offering this certified pre-owned 2019 Lexus NX 300h executive package in Caviar with glazed caramel interior. It's an all-wheel drive hybrid SUV that's powered by a 4-cylinder 2.5-liter engine that produces 195 horsepower. It gets terrific gas mileage, 7.5 liters per 100 kilometer, or 38 miles per gallon, and it also takes regular gas, not premium. Features specific to this trim level include panoramic view monitor, power folding rear seats that are also heated, wireless charging, premium triple LED headlights, rain sensing wipers, unique 18-inch alloy wheels, heads-up display, and lastly, power back door with kick sensor. Simple kick and the tailgate will open and close. It is also the brand new feature in 2019 for the executive trim level. It has just under 65,000 kilometers. It has been serviced regularly at Lexus South Pointe. Here is a nice screenshot showing the service history, and when looking at the Carfax, it does show one damage record. Damage has since been fixed and repaired in accordance with Lexus certified pre-owned standards. For more information or to set up a test drive, call us at 780-989-2222 or email sales@lexussouthpointe.com. Check the description field for more information about this vehicle and our dealership. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.